how sectors are performing at the moment. You manage somewhere like 5,500 crore rupees, both in publicly listed stocks as also in the private space. Now, when fresh money is coming into Nepean Capital, what are the hunting grounds that you and your research team are looking at? Where is current money being deployed?
Yeah, so we are a special situations fund. So in some sense, we look for the incremental change that's going to happen in a company. And the changes could be any one of the following: change in CEO, change in ownership, generational change, change at a company level if the company is doing an M&A activity or selling a major asset or demerger of a business. And the fifth one being any change in government policy that could incrementally be positive. So we look for these sort of parameters. At the same time, of course, if we come across interesting, steady compounders, we would look at them. Now, to your question, with respect to in this market, which is so expensive, what does one need to focus on? We ran a screen last week. Of 1,200 stocks, we found 400 stocks within the universe of the top 1,200 stocks, where 400 companies are trading at 20% or more in terms of a correction that's happened with respect to
Yes.
their individual 52-week highs. So a lot of stocks have actually had a correction, and I think there are stocks within that universe that can be potentially looked at.
That's a wonderful theme that you've talked about. And amongst the three sets of stocks that have corrected fairly sharply are the defense theme. Over the
Yeah.
last 3 months, the PSU banking index is down about 6-7%, and it's the PSU metals, it's the Nifty metals index that has shed weight as well. So these
Sure.
three categories, Mr. Trivedi, do they catch your attention? Are these, by the way, momentum purchases that you do, buying the dip 20-25% lower, or again, are they only in stocks that are steady compounders?
No, so my point is that if in the current environment, if somebody is looking for stocks that have corrected, these are the sectors and the
Okay.
stocks to look at. So I'm not necessarily saying come in
Okay.
today and start buying the market. All I'm saying is that there's enough opportunity of stocks that have had a 20% or more correction from their respective 52-week highs, and I think there are enough stocks to look at from that perspective.